in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Strausstown, or 8 miles south of Scoop Hill Haven, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamburg and Strausstown. This includes Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,